SPX recap. We called the lows on 1027. Every year we get rallies. We've gone parabolic up to that 100-day moving average on the SPX. We hit that buy signal on a daily chart and we rip higher. And the stochastics from oversold conditions, as we clearly stated, went straight up. You can see how they were oversold. You always got to buy the farm when they're that way. You cleared the 200-day moving average. You cleared the 150-day. Now, traders, beware. The 100-day moving average is right there. That is the wall of resistance. We said that 4,400 would be the line in the sand, and that it is. And let me just tell you another thing. We are overbought. We went from oversold. Oh boy, you had to buy it. That stochastic was a buy signal. To overbought, where you have to start selling. So the Christmas rally, Thanksgiving rally, year-end rally, it happens every year. After 35 years of trading, we've been 35 years in the calendar every year. You buy it and you take it. What ends up happening, traders, the rally's already deep. So people will buy late and we are selling into the move.